Hello, naked friends. So I mentioned that the bike came with handlebars that were not original, and as you can see, there was no place to pull the wires through, and so the cables were just run down along the outside of the handlebars that came with the bike. So this is the pair I had, and I had to run the cables through from the starter switch through the handlebars and out. It's a really difficult process. I don't know how many of you have done it. It's unpleasant. This one is a big wiring harness. You can see it goes in to the handlebars here, has to come all the way along and come out here. It took me just to fish this one wire yesterday probably 8 tries, and I would say start to finish for both of these wiring harnesses to get through these handlebars took me 2.5 hours, and then look what did I discover today. I know some of you are already laughing. This is the clutch lever. It goes here, and I've already put this in, and now this does not come apart. It is not in 2 pieces, unlike the brake actuating lever, which is in 2 pieces and can go on after you've put the switches in. So everything that I did yesterday, 2.5 hours worth of frustrating hard work, I am now going to have to undo.